What's up, guys? It's David, Willow Branch Farms here. One thing, big old nasty cloud coming there, but second thing, we got something back that we've been needing. So, back in business now. Got the baler. Got the bearing fixed. They're too busy to really work on anything else. They suggested there's some things that need to be done. I asked them to go through it while they had it. There's some things that need to be done, but they suggested bringing it like during the winter when it's not hay season. And then they won't be in a hurry and I won't be either. So I guess that's what we'll do. We'll take it back in and kind of get some maintenance done on it. But we're gonna go over here and put it under the shed and check on these hay fields right here. Crazy thing is, the Johnson grass is to the hood of my truck right here. That is crazy. This is our hay field. This is one I usually cut first. Said the Johnson grass is thick in this area here, but you can see a lot of good grass and stuff in there. See some Dallas grass and fescue and little Timothy. So, you know what we'll be doing soon? Cutting hay. We get this baler put up before it starts raining harder or get struck by lightning. Seems to be the reoccurring theme in all of our videos, dodging rain. It's just these little pop-up showers. They don't last long, but if you're under one, you get wet. We're getting there backed in just in time. And it's not the best place for the flail mower. We gotta get some stuff cleaned out in the shed here to be able to put everything up. Coming a good little shower with the sun out. Probably gonna be a rainbow somewhere. Something else we need to do while we're over here, check on the cows. Hadn't put my eyes on the cows in a day or so. I see one over here, a couple back there. Some of them, oh, there's a calf. I was wondering where he was. Trying to find her baby. She's got him hid somewhere, I think. Seems like a pretty good shady area. I'd probably hang out in here too if I was a cow. Wave hi.
Hi.
All right, me and Case Man, it's go time. We got a good window of weather opportunity. So we're gonna go finish this first cutting. Sounds bad to say, but baler being broke and all that, then we got one little field over here, 3 or 4 acre field that we didn't get done. We're gonna run and we're gonna cut it real quick. Try to bale it up this week. And then we'll probably start our second cutting up. All right, we're hooked up. Short little jog over to where we're going. Probably in the tractor about a 10-minute drive. But we'll be there soon. Did I mention it's hot? We're in the heat dome, the heat bubble. And this isn't even the hottest day. It's supposed to be getting up to like 98, 99. Heat index is way on up there. It's gonna be a scorcher, folks. cutting stuff was. So let's get this bad boy down. As you can see, we're losing daylight quickly, but we got it done. I lost a little bit of time. I had a guy stop by, asked me if I'd be interested in cutting his hay. About 10 acres. Pretty close to here. Probably got more hay than I need right now, but so finding the time to do it would be the biggest thing. But probably gonna go ahead and cut this video for tonight. Pick back up with Ted, Raking, and Baling. We'll see you then. All right, it's the next day. We got the tedder hooked up, making our jog down the road. Gonna ted that hay we cut yesterday. Stuff was thick, it needs spreading out. And it's another hot one here, boys. I'm telling you, I'm sure most of the United States might be hot right now too. We're just in the heat dome, heat bubble. Bad thing is, I think Thursday's going to be even hotter. 99 to 100 is the real temp. I hate to know what those heat indexes will be like, but give it just a minute and we'll be over here at this field. Yeah, it's still super green on that bottom. It needs flipped over bad, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to hit it with the tedder. I don't know if that was bad on y'all's ears as well as mine. Pretty fogged up. Made pretty short work of that. Another scorcher here in West Tennessee. We're gonna go hook up to the rake. We're gonna do a little raking, and hopefully that's stuff's thick, but hopefully it's dried down enough. We'll be able to bale it later on this afternoon is the plan anyway. Forgot to mention we did get the baler back like I said, but haven't had no luck on the rakes. Both my rakes are down still. Kind of in the market for a new rake or somebody that can fix them. So we're going to borrow my uncle's. Thank goodness we have backup. different from this side of the ditch. Hooked up. I think it's looking pretty good once we flip it over. Time we get here to bell it should be good. Sure I've already said, but this is our last of our first cutting. It would have been done if it wasn't for the baler, but my uncle Rex that helps me, he's got horses and they need hay, so kind of my way of paying him to help me is I give him some hay. So probably all this field here is going to go to him for helping. Instead of dollar bills, I'm handing him round bells. Got her all raked up. Go hook up to the baler. Give it a little time to dry. Got my partner here now. He's home from school with his new fly haircut. He looks so fresh. We're heading to bail, Mike. Going to bail everybody. All right, this little field did better than I thought it would. It's actually the best it's ever done. We got one in the baler, so that's gonna make 9. The wife's here with the truck. We're gonna load up some of these bales. We'll still have to come back and get some, but hey, it's a good day and nothing broke. All right, I consider that a success. Anytime you can bale and you don't have anything break down. And the field made triple what it normally makes. So I call that a good day. So I think it'd be a good spot to end this video. We're not having any beef tonight. We're having chicken. But we are having some vegetables out of the garden, so something's still coming off the farm, but we're gonna feed these goats. Appreciate you watching. God bless you. I'll see you next time. God bless you.
Alright, so today's video, the baler is actually fixed. Look. See? The baler's fixed. So we're baling. We already got the hay bales done. And we made 8 bales. 8 bales.
Taking a swim.